Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to claim 25 USDT in Ultrapro. Alright, now for us to get this done, it's actually pretty simple. As you can see here, register now and receive 25 USDT as welcome bonus. Now, if you're going to scroll down here as well, there is actually an FAQ or frequently asked question. How do I participate in the 25 USDT bonanza? So to celebrate the launch, they said that they're offering 25 USDT to each new user. So we're just going to simply sign up, and then the 25 USDT will be credited to our account. So to sign up, what you're going to do is just head over here at the top, and then you can just go ahead and click this one right here. And then from here, you're going to enter everything as needed. So make sure that you have your name, your real name here entered. The same thing as the country, the phone number, your email address. I'm going to go ahead and write it here. Alright, there you go. I've already filled in everything. The next thing that I can do is just tap the register button down here. Alright, so I have already verified my email address through my Gmail, through my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed by entering my credentials in here. I'm going to go ahead and click this one, click the login button. Alright, there you go. And I'm now being asked to enter an OTP. So I'm going to go ahead and try to wait for it. There you go. I found it on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and try to type it here. Now click login. Alright, there you go. So let's go ahead and try to open this one. So you have now your reward asset right here. So you go ahead and continue on trading from this point forward, and afterwards you should be able to withdraw your reward asset. So that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.